And welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to see how we can differentiate this implicit differentiation. All right, we know that in implicit differentiation, whenever we are differentiating with respect to y, we add dy dx. That is, we treat y as a constant. So from here, if we differentiate x cubed plus y cubed plus 6xy, this equals 0. So we have to find dy dx. So if we differentiate x cubed here, we know that this is method 1. I'll use two methods. So this is method 1. So if we differentiate x cubed, we know that this is 3x squared plus, if we differentiate y cubed, we know that this is 3y squared. Then you add the y all over the x because we are differentiating with respect to y. Whenever we are differentiating with respect to y in implicit differentiation, we add dy dx. So this place that they are multiplying, you're going to treat them as different thing. You treat them different, like separately. You differentiate them separately. So if I differentiate here with respect to x, I'll have that 6y is remaining. That's the first one. Plus, if I differentiate now with respect to y, I'll have that 6x, then add the y over the x because I'm differentiating with respect to y. So this equals 0. So now we are going to take this term now, this side, the term with dy dx. So this is 3y squared dy over dx plus 6x dy over dx equals, now the term that doesn't have dy dx to the other parts. So this is negative 3x squared negative 6y. All right, that's the second step. So from here, since we have dy dx here, we are going to factorize dy dx. So here clearly we can say this is dy by dx into 3y squared plus 6x bracket close to negative 3x squared negative 6y. Right, so from here clearly we'll divide through by 3y squared. 3y squared plus 6x. 3y squared plus 6x. So from here, what happened? This one here can cancel out this one. I will have dy by the x equals, from here, we can factorize out 3 here. So if we factorize out 3, we have that negative 3 into bracket x squared minus negative 3 into bracket x squared plus 2y, all divided, because negative 3 times x squared gives us negative 3x squared. Negative 3 times 2y gives us negative 6xy. So all over, also factorize out 3 here. So we have 3 into bracket y squared plus 2x. So clearly this can cancel out this. And clearly our final answer become negative x squared plus 2y all over y squared plus 2x. And this is the right answer. All right, so let's take the second example. That is the second method to solve this same problem. Let's see which is shorter to use. All right, so from here, if we want to check the second method, let's see if we have the same answer. Now, the second method, the trick to solve the second method, you have to differentiate first with respect to x, differentiate everything with respect to x for the numerator, and for the denominator, differentiate everything with respect to y. So from here, first of all, put your dy all over the x equals, put a negative sign, put your bracket. Now, this is the numerator. Differentiate with respect to x. If we differentiate here with respect to x, we have 3x squared. Differentiate here with respect to x. Just like you saying, this is x raised to the power of 0. Since x is not here, x raised to the power of 0 multiplied by y to the power 3. Right? So if you differentiate this x, so this becomes 0. That means since x is not there, the y is gone, it becomes 0. So x raised to the power of 0 here, just like saying x raised to the power of 0, which is 1. So x raised to the power of 0. So this is 0x, 0 minus what? 1. Right? We differentiate it. Then x cubed. So this is 0 multiplied by 1 all over x by y cubed. So this is 0 over x multiplied by y cubed. So this divided by this gives us 0 times y cubed, which is what? 0. So all right, from here, what do we have? Here 0 plus differentiate with respect to x. we have 6y. So from here now, what do we do next? We differentiate everything with respect to what? To y. So from here, we don't have y here. What are we going to do? We know that this is easier than say y to power 0 times x cubed. So differentiate this. If we differentiate this, we have that 0 multiplied by y is 0 minus 1. So subtract by negative 1 times x cubed. So this is 0 multiplied by 1 all over y times x cubed. So this is 0 over y times x cubed, and this is 0 times x cubed, which gives us 0. So clearly, since y is not here, here becomes what? 0. So let's differentiate here with respect to y. We have 3y squared plus differentiate with respect to y. We have 6x. All right. So clearly, what do we have? So this implies that we can factorize out 3 here. Negative 3 into brackets x squared plus 2y, all divided by, from here, 3y squared plus 2x. And this can cancel out this. So therefore, our dy over dx equals negative x squared plus 2y, all divided by y squared plus 2x. And this is the right answer. Do well to subscribe to this channel for more interesting problems like this. So clearly you can see that the first method and the second method, the both answers, they are what? They are the same. All right, have a nice day.